The overall goal of this procedure is to study motivated behavior in mice by training them to perform an operant response for a sensory reinforcer. This is accomplished by writing a program to deliver variable sensory stimuli when the animal performs an operant task. It is very important that the animals are kept calm during handling, so the experimenter must habituate the mice prior to testing. Once the mice are habituated, the next step is to perform daily operant test sessions on a fixed ratio 1 schedule. Finally, the schedule of reinforcement can be advanced to a different schedule, such as progressive ratio, random ratio, or variable interval ratio testing scheme. Operant sensation seeking can be used to show changes in operant responding as a result of a genetic or pharmacological manipulation.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods such as intravenous drug self-administration in the mouse is that no surgery, training, or food restriction is required. In addition to providing insight into motivated behavior, operant sensation seeking can also be applied to systems such as drug addiction.
Before the experiment can begin, animals must first be habituated to the handling and transportation they will experience. Habituation takes place over a 3-day period after the mice have acclimated to the animal facility. On the first day of habituation, place gloved hands into the cage and let them sit for 90 seconds. If every mouse has not investigated your hands in that time, gently move hands towards each mouse and wait for them to sniff and/or contact your hands before proceeding. Next, carefully pick up each mouse by the base of the tail and place it on your hand. Quickly lift your hand up and bring it back down to allow the mouse to walk off it.